everyone, it's summer 2020. We are going to be making Millville rocks. Roll your eyes for the coronavirus. I forgot about the coronavirus. Boo corona. Boo corona. Everybody cheer. Boo corona. Boo corona. I know. We are going to be making Millville rocks. I am here again, and I have 2 small rocks, 1 giant rock, a layer of tinfoil, a pan, and some colors. Now let's get started. Yeah, we're gonna do white first. Let's go. Let's do white. Good. I'm sorry it's so squeaky. Okay, so now it's time for green. I'm sorry I couldn't handle the last video because my mother messed it up. The other video was handled perfectly until my mother came out and she wrecked it. Okay, in my other video, I forgot, I'm making Millville rocks. And also we have our acrylic paint and we are pouring it in. And then, no light blue? I forgot there was no light blue. I am so sorry, guys. I'm not too good of an artist, but I'm really... man. Oh, Mom! Don't come out here and ruin my video. Oh, my God. My mother brought the next paint. Thanks, Mom. I've already started off. Hooray, Mommy! Aw, man. That's the end of the bottle. Not fair. It's time to start to get rock pouring. Ooh, this is coming out pretty. That looks like a rainbow. Holy macaroons, this looks cool. I just said holy macaroons if you guys just heard that. Holy mackerel, this is so awesome. No one could say no to these things. Okay, they're done. We'll see you in a little bit when they're really done and dry, I mean. Hey everyone, I hope you like this project. Smash that like button if you like coconut ice cream. Bye-bye.